Hi, Carol doing a solo video. Just thought I'd show you all our camping gear. We carry a little bit extra because we have dogs. So we've got dog beds, which we carry, dome chairs. So we've got like day and night beds for the dogs. Then we've got our own stuff. We've got a couple of stools and a few things like that. We've got a shower tent, a hammock. We carry solar panels. We've got 2 lots. One charges the car. We've got a battery system in the car, which solar panels charge. Then we've got another set that charge the battery that's in the camper trailer. The camper trailer is about a 6x4 inside. We've got a kitchen slide up the back so the wood protects it, and there's a hose that comes through which we've just got to be mindful of. I usually put chairs and stuff like that on that side because they bend sort of around where the hose is. Hang around to the end because all of this will fit in and I'll have room. Trust me, it's not my first rodeo. I've loaded this thing a few times. We've had everything out because we've had to do maintenance on the trailer. So let's see how I go getting it all back in. Things chop and change and we get new stuff and we take stuff out. So sometimes it can be a bit of put stuff in and then I've got to readjust. But I'm pretty sure I've got it crafted now. Let's go. That'll be right. There's work to be done and Toby be gone. Our little boy will not go far though from watching what's going on, just in case he misses out on camping. We're so lucky with both the dogs who love camping. But yeah, Toby knows once I start loading up the trailer or doing anything around it, camping's not too far on the horizon. We're so lucky they love camping. Our solar panels that charge all our tower in the car. Charges all our electrical gear we carry. The flagpole. Now there's a story. Gay bought the flagpole. It came with an Australian flag. So she installed it and got it up, and we got the Australian flag flying for Australia Day this year, which was awesome. Since then we haven't had a flag. We've had ideas of what flags. Gay's had a plethora of ideas of what flag she'd like to fly. But at the moment we've come up with It's 5 O'Clock Somewhere, the Jimmy Buffett song, with Pirates flag. So I have to get my patch out and, cocky on my shoulder and my peg leg. I thought of Gay as in the house, like when the Prime Minister's at Parliament House, so people are aware. Take that any way you want. One thing we have learnt about flagpoles is there's a lot of rules around them. It's not just banging a flagpole and you're good to go. There's times and there's just a lot of rules that you need to probably understand with the flagpoles. We understand most of them now, but we're still learning some of them. It's amazing that stuff you just don't realise there's rules around. If you've got any suggestions for some flags, hit us up. There's a chair in there. Oops, better stop singing. Copyright laws. There's no bear though. Not unless I haven't shaved my legs and then, verging on a bear. So, meeting of great minds here for me. One must leave the mic on. Anyway, you should hear what it was that I was talking about. It's highly educational. If only you could hear it. Ta-da! As you can see, it all fits. And I've got all this space here. If I wasn't an orange, because you can't fold an orange, I'd lay in there and show you. I could probably, in the fetal position, lay into there. So, previously, we've had an Esky in the back there, which we don't carry anymore. We've carried a Weber in there before, which we don't carry in there anymore. So now I put my bag of clothes in there. That takes up one spot. And then on the other spot, I put Gay's firebox. That's what we call it. Which is all her stuff for starting the fire, her papers and stuff like that. So it comes in a green crate, and that sort of fills this void. So they're the two last things that go in. Sometimes there's incidental stuff that we think of. I know I need to put another thing of toilet paper in, but that's pretty much it. With the camper trailer, one thing we know for sure is to pack up the actual camper trailer itself, so folding the tent up and folding the annex up, pulling all the pegs out, everything like that, is a lot quicker than it is to put everything in there. Generally, when we're at camp, what happens is we obviously take everything out of the bags because that's easier, throw it all out, set it all up, and then so in the reverse of that, you've got to bag everything again, and it takes time. So usually Gay will start packing up the camper trailer, we get everything piled up ready to go, and we're good to go basically. So while she's fluffing about doing some of that stuff, I can start packing stuff up. We just pile it up and then do exactly what you saw me do today and load it in. It's just that fiddling around that takes a bit of time. But we've got plenty of space. Now, as I've done this on my own, not only loaded it, it's quite a warm day here today. You can't see the sweat on me, you can probably see dirt on me. I reckon I deserve a big fat thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up soon. Bye. Please tell me. I don't know how to turn it off. I got my chins going.